All right, here we go. This is our second day of the explore phase. Yesterday, hopefully, you did some clicking around on this tab. Hopefully, you sampled some of these websites. Hopefully, you sampled some of these personal stories. You checked out the videos, etc., etc. I'm hoping you also used these databases in Gale to search for keywords. Remember, these databases, when you open them up, they don't just automatically search for you. You have to choose some terms to put in this search bar. And once you land on a term, you'll see lots of interesting topics that relate to it. And these topics should be coming out of Under the Feet of Jesus, or the Ralph Nader article that you saw on the Immerse page. We're really looking for these documents to stimulate some thinking for us and to get us curious. Now, next week, we're going to end up doing some activities that lead us toward choosing a more narrow topic to really get down into. So that's what we're heading toward next week. So it's important that today you really stay broad in this explore phase and sample as much as you can so that you have a variety of things to choose from. If your sampling is limited, if you do too much close reading today and don't sample enough different sources, then it could make it harder on you when it comes time to identify a topic. Ms. Hanson and I will be assessing journals over the weekend and on Monday. So it's really important that if you've fallen behind, that you get caught up as quickly as possible. And yeah, so if you have any questions, chat me at chat.google.com, send me an email, come to one of the Zooms. You're always welcome to come to Zooms that are meeting for the other cohort. So that's always an option if you need to ask a question. All right, see you soon.